Take a look at this channel making documentary videos on finance history. Their popular video has gotten over 1.4 million views, and it's no secret that finance niches have one of the highest RPM, which significantly influence how much you make on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this channel is making these videos step by step. But first, let me show you guys what I was able to create.
What if one private citizen with no elected office and no public mandate personally decided whether the United States economy lived or died, and did it twice? Imagine someone so powerful that the President of the United States had to come to his office, hat in hand, and ask for help. Not the other way around. That man controlled more wealth than most governments on Earth. His name was J.P. Morgan, and most people think they know who he was. They don't.
You're going to learn exactly how to edit documentary videos like the one you just watched in this tutorial. But first, grab a cup of coffee. Give this video a thumbs up. It sends a signal to me that you enjoyed this video and you want me to make more like this. The first thing you need to do is visit this channel, History Meets Finance, and basically just go through the videos and take a screenshot, just like what I've done here. So now that you have the screenshot of the channel, and upload the screenshot you just took, and then write a basic prompt, like this. This video idea has gotten a lot of engagement. Can you give me similar ideas? As simple as that, just click on enter, and ChatGPT is going to understand exactly what you want. As you can see here, it has provided us with different kinds of viral video ideas, like viral title ideas, wealth and control angles, historical power stories you didn't know, curiosity hooks, country and region-based hooks, like different kinds of ideas and titles that you can make your videos in. All right, what I did next was to just basically tell ChatGPT to give me 20 more very similar video titles. What I did here was just tell it that I want names to be mentioned, and then, as simple as that, ChatGPT started writing fresh video ideas that can really get engagement. For instance, how Nathan Rothschild controlled nations from the shadows is a very solid video idea, or why Elon Musk is becoming more powerful than government. So, for this tutorial, I decided to make a video on the secret deal of J.P. Morgan that changed America forever. So now that you have your video idea, the next thing you need to do is write your script. To do that, I've made it very simple for you. What you just need to do is click on the link in the video description to access this prompt that I've created for you. It's going to help you to generate your script. All you need to do is come down to where you see paste your topic or idea here, and basically just paste the title you've generated in ChatGPT. Once you paste it, just like this, what you just need to do is copy the entire prompt from the Google Doc file. Now that we have the prompt, it's time for us to generate our script, and we are going to be using Claude AI. It's going to bring you to this page. The first thing you want to do is to paste your prompt in the chat bar here. The next thing you want to do now is to upload this PDF file that I created. It actually took me a lot of time to come up with this PDF. Now, what this PDF is going to help Claude do is to basically make the script feel like it was written by a real human, which is going to boost your engagement and increase your average view duration. If you want to have access to this PDF, you need to join my school community. The link is going to be in the pinned comment below. So now that you have the PDF here, the next thing you want to do is paste the prompt you copied from the Google Doc file and basically just click on Generate. Give Claude some time to go through the PDF and understand exactly what you want it to generate for you. Once it's done analyzing the PDF, it is going to immediately start writing your video idea, from the title to the hook to the main chapters. If you are told that this script was actually generated with AI, you won't believe it because of how it's structured. The next thing we need to do now is to generate the voiceover, and to do that, I'm going to be using Fish Audio. If you want to do this for free, you can use Google AI Studio. But for me, Fish Audio is the best for generating your voiceover. With Fish Audio, what you just need to do is first of all click on text-to-speech here, and then it's going to bring you to this page. The first thing you want to do is click on the voiceover here, and then click on Explore. Then go to the Explore voiceovers here and choose the one you like. But for me, I've recently added the ones that I want, so I'm going to be going with this Legacy WW2 here because I like how the voice sounds. So now that you've selected your voice, the next thing you need to do is go back to Claude and copy the entire script that Claude generated for you. For the sake of this tutorial, we are not going to be editing the entire video because it's going to take too long and you guys will get bored. So for that, we're going to edit only the hook in this video. So what I'm just going to do is copy the hook here and then come back to Fish Audio and paste it here. Now, before I click on Generate, there is something I need to do first, which is to click on Enhance here. This is going to help the voiceover sound more realistic and human. So when you're done with that, you can just basically click on Generate Speech here. As easy as that, the voiceover will be ready. Now we have the voiceover. The next thing we need to do now is to edit the video, and this is what you just need to do. Open CapCut or any of your preferred editing software. I just prefer CapCut because it's easy for beginners to understand what you're doing. What you want to do is drag the voiceover you just generated into CapCut and then basically just click on the plus icon here to add it to the timeline. So once you have this, the next thing you need to do is zoom in so you can see the timeline properly. Okay, so now what I want you to do, and I always say this, is to listen to the first 5 seconds of the voiceover so you know the exact image or video you need to add here that is going to visually represent what the voiceover is saying. As simple as that. Just so you can understand exactly what I mean, I'm going to first of all play the 5 seconds of this voiceover and then pause it, and I'll show you what I added to visually represent that scene.
What if one private citizen with...
So what I did was to go on Google and find an image of JP Morgan, and then I just added this question mark here to cover his face, just to spark curiosity and all that. And then when they mentioned citizen, I decided to add a text here, and basically this is what you're going to do in all your editing. Just follow the voice and edit as you go. So if I play this from the beginning, you're going to see that gradually coming together.
What if one private citizen...
See how easy that was? You don't need to be a professional editor. You can understand exactly how to do this. When you're done with all that, you can basically just click on export and save the video to your device, and then upload it to your YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to create faceless YouTube videos for your YouTube channel, then you need to consider joining my school community. I basically teach people the easiest way to create AI content and monetize their YouTube channel. The link is going to be in the video description below.